What's going on, y'all? We back and we sipping in the kitchen again, and as you can see, we're still in beautiful Pattaya, Thailand, right? And what better way, or what better drink rather, to test than this, what they call Sangsom rum. This is a well-known rum here in Thailand, so we here, so what better time to try it than now? Sangsom special rum. Take a look at that. This is here's gonna cost you about, how much did this cost me? This cost me about 290 baht, which is about $8. You know, so it's pretty reasonable in American dollars. I guess in Thai baht is probably average, but it's pretty popular drink from what I hear. So we're gonna try it out. We ain't gonna waste too much time. We're gonna stop tripping and we're gonna get the sipping. But first, we gotta get it cracked. Straight up on the nose. Nose. This is definitely a different type of smell. This almost has a perfume type smell, and it smells like it's going to taste really sweet. So we ain't gonna waste much time. We're gonna stop the tripping and get the sipping. Cheers. That's different. That's different. Hold on. It's strong. You got heat to it. This is. Okay, you know what I think? I think this would be a really good mixer drink. Yeah, I think you can probably make cocktails with this, and it'll probably be really good. Not sure if I would enjoy drinking it straight like this. Nah, I think drinking straight like this is a no-go. I think I would probably rather do, I don't know, any type of rum on ice. I wouldn't drink this straight. Now, this on ice might be good. It might taste a lot better cold, possibly. But like I said, it has that whiskey slash perfume type of smell to it, and I don't like the aftertaste. It doesn't taste the way it smells. It's hard to put my. Yeah, it has a very bitter. It has a very bitter taste to it, and the aftertaste is definitely not that pleasant either. So, yeah, this is not for me. Sorry, Thailand. You know, I definitely respect the culture. I love Thai food. Thai food is amazing. This particular drink right here is not for me. on a scale of 1 to 10, the scale of 1 to 10, I would probably have to give this a 4. Unfortunately, I would probably have to give it a 4. It's just not for me. And I give it a 4 because I think you can still make this good as a mixer. This would be a really good mixer, and it's fairly cheap. Now I know American standards is cheap. It's only $7.93 for this big bottle. So to us it's cheap, but it's still 290 baht. I mean, it's not disgusting. I can work with it. I just wouldn't want to drink it straight. Maybe drinking it chilled would be cool. And like I said, probably mixing it. This would probably be really good in like a, I don't know, some type of slushy drink, because it is kind of sweet. It's definitely made with sugarcane, I think I read somewhere. Oh, it's made with cane molasses. Yeah, so I can taste that. Yep, I can definitely taste that. Sugarcane molasses, that makes sense. So it kind of has a old barrel. Any of y'all ever had sugarcane juice? If you put that sugarcane juice in oak barrels and let it sit for a long time, too long, that's kind of what it tastes like. It tastes like old woody sugarcane juice, I guess. Yeah, this is not for me. I had to give it a 4. But y'all get in the comment section. Y'all get in the comment section and let me know what y'all think, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Got any other videos you'd like to see us do next? Let us know. We'll see can we get it done. But meanwhile, we appreciate y'all time. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.